What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna start some modifications, some small modifications for this Porsche Panamera. Some tint for the headlights, taillights, fog lights and side blinkers. Let's do that next. Okay guys, so today we're gonna install some tint for the headlights. It's a pre-cut tint for this like a fog lights, blinkers, side blinkers, and for the tail lights only this clear area. Okay, so this is a pre-cut tint. Everything, the links are gonna be on the description below. Okay, so let's install the tints. These small modifications, these are very easy to install. Okay guys, here you can see the difference. This is with the tint. Remember, if you're getting wrinkles, just lift it, stretch it a little bit, and then be very careful, and with the squeegee stretch the vinyl. Okay, this is the hardest part of this area, and this part too. So this one requires a little bit more of patience. But this one is very easy to install, this is very easy, and also the tail light. But this one requires a little bit more of patience, okay? And this is the difference. This is without the tint, and without the tint. And when you can see the difference, this one, that's great. Amazing, I love it. You can see it. and the tail light. You can see the tail light. Wow, yes, looks more like a luxury car now. And that's without the tint. Okay, so all the links for these ones are gonna be on the description below. Okay, but all these vinyl, you need to use water and soap to install them. Okay, but also I'm gonna put a link for another material that you don't need water. You can do it the dry method, no water, but it's a little bit more expensive. But also I'm gonna put that one on the description below. Okay, so that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, those are the mods for the Panamera. Some simple things, and those things make a lot of difference. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.